Hey everybody, fun with the fence again today. As I thought, if you watched the video when I had Dolly ready to dig the other day, it was, I was originally a little worried that there might be some frost in the ground. Actually, that dug the easiest. What didn't want to dig was because we've been in such a drought, it didn't want to dig into that dry stuff. So what I had to do was I had to set the loader on top of it. Might have, kind of moved it around a little bit by hand too. So basically the opposite of any safety instructions, manual, whatever you should have done. So I didn't take a video of that. So what we're going to do now, I got the new post in on this corner, and this one has the screw-in bolts to hold the gate. So I've already done the bottom one, but I'll show you here now doing the top one. Okay, I've got the hole drilled. I'm going to grab the anchor. And as you can see, it's basically a screw-in type. I use the box end of a wrench. Seems to be the best way I've found to put these on. One more. Okay. Now the fun part, I'll grab the gate, see if it sits on there. I did cheat since I had the old post. I basically had a template. It had broke off at the ground. So I just sat the post up here, and where the holes were in the old one is where I marked this one. So that should mean it would be the same, but we'll test it out. Just in case I have to adjust any of the anchors, I'll keep that in my pocket. Now with a long gate like this step can be helpful if you have somebody else. The other thing is you can set it black on the other end, lift it up. That one is tight. So the other thing is you can loosen this up, and this one will move up and down. No, 1 3/4. Uh-huh. How can you not be one of those two? Must have got metric or something. Well, just pop it back up, maybe. So she twisted a little bit in there, which isn't bad. But anyway, I'll loosen that and I'll tighten it back up, and then we'll have a good gate. So anyway, take care, enjoy.